Hey guys, welcome to a new video. On today's video, we're going to do an update about the unlocked for iPhones. As you guys know, before we used this R SIM to unlock the iPhones. Now we have this called smart cards. Something have changed since like maybe a month or a few weeks ago. So we lose the unlocks, but now there is a new method. But just to let you know, I have an iPhone from AT&T right here, and it's not working. I already tried many things on this one and it's not working, just to test for you guys. This one I'm gonna test. I believe this phone is from it comes from T-Mobile or Sprint, which I don't know which one, but one of those the customer said. So we're gonna try to unlock this one and see if it works. If it works, it will work for all of them up to the 13. So let's try it. We're gonna just discard this one right here. First of all, I'm gonna insert my Leica mobile SIM card, which is under the T-Mobile networks, and check if in fact this phone is locked. Okay, nothing there. Start searching. Oh no, I think it's T-Mobile, right? So it wouldn't make any difference. So, but let's put the AT&T SIM card. My bad. All right, let's see. I have the AT&T right here, and let's see. There you go. There we go. Let me put the passcode. Yep. I mean, now we don't have to do all this show. All we gotta do is, you see, SIM not supported. Nowadays, all we gotta do is go to settings, and we have a little message right here, carrier SIM locked. So that's all we need to know. All right, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to do it with the smart card. We're gonna need two numbers now, which I mean, we did it in the past, but now with this, it's the new standards, I guess, because even for the new cars, we're gonna need now double numbers, which before we didn't need. But anyways, here is how to do it. We're gonna grab our smart card and just insert it on your phone. There we go. Let's see. Let's go. Do something. Okay, there we go. All right, after that, we're just gonna put this passcode again. Then it's giving us a hard time. It would be better. All right, automatically it's gonna prompt to input the ICCID. So which you're gonna get from the your supplier, whoever sell you this car, you're gonna get these numbers. So the first number is the ICCID. These numbers, have in mind, is gonna change. This is not the same all the time, and it's gonna change over maybe in a few weeks, days, God knows, hours. Is changing all the time. So you get this number from your car provider, from the smart car, whatever you buy the smart car from. So let's just go. We put the number they give us, the newest one, and then hit send. Then we're gonna get to input the IMSI. IMSI, yeah. This I found out to be is like a carrier number. So from now I found that this one is working. 310410, and then you just have to like fill up the numbers with ones, which is, it requires 15 numbers. Fun fact that before I used to use the last 15 digits of the SIM card and it works for me, but now this is the new method. So that's how we're gonna put these two numbers you're gonna get it from your provider. So whoever you buy this car, a smart car from, you're gonna get these numbers. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, my phone just... Okay, now click send. We're gonna click send and accept. And we're gonna see if now it let me go through the settings. Let's see if it don't give me that message. Okay, just if you see like it's asking you for it again, just cancel, because it's gonna probably ask you a few times more. Okay. There we go. It went through. Let's check on the settings. It still says SIM locked. So let's reboot this phone and find out. There we go. Let me reboot the phone. Sometimes you have to do it a couple of times. All right. But like I said, I test many other options on this iPhone. This is an SE second generation from AT&T. This comes from AT&T. All right, let me put that passcode again. All right, let's see. All right, let's try to do it again and see if it goes through. All right, success. Let's go. Uh-oh, about. There we go, guys. You see? No SIMs restricted. It keep asking, so of course we're gonna take our smart card out. There we go. And how we know? Now it says no SIM restriction. Booyah! This one has been unlocked. But now we can reassure this one is unlocked. Remember, at the beginning of the video, we put an AT&T SIM card, and it went through the setup options. Let's put the AT&T SIM card again and see if it does the same thing. Of course not. Now it says no service. Why? Because now the phone is unlocked. It says no SIM restrictions. This is good method for those people that maybe are using T-Mobile or Metro phones, that maybe you want to use it in T-Mobile, because if you buy the phone from Metro, it's not going to work on T-Mobile. But also for those people who want to use maybe AT&T or Cricket, now you can unlock your phone. No SIM restrictions. Also, guys, have in mind, if you factory reset this phone, if you go to right here to reset this phone and you factory reset this phone, you're gonna lose that unlocked. Also, if you update it, if you update this phone, if you go to the updates, I suggest you to turn automatic updates off, so that way the phone will not automatically update and you don't lose the unlock we just did. So that's an update, guys. Like I said, you're gonna need these two numbers now from your smart card provider, and I hope this video helped you guys in the future. This is an update for the unlocked for April 2022. So it's still working, not on the AT&T. There is other methods to unlock AT&T, which is even better than this, but from now, this is working and we get our phone unlocked. Our customer is going to be happy. Let's do it. Thank you, guys. I'll see you back in the next video. Bye. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any upload.